I gore go a cheatega mo relationshiping and nna ke experience se ke a itseo ke nyaka o isha gae bo mma ba go tsebe. Yesterday I was with Cassandra.
Oh, selfish. So what? Like acknowledge your.
I am selfish.
Baby.
So that's how we're gonna end this whole thing.
Oh, wow.
Nna leina la ka ke Fortune Tulare ke tswa ke le mo Soshanguve gona lo bjale ke kwana le Karabo o nthatile molapa o a tswa go Soshanguve o dula kwa di-GG. Nna le Karabo ga gore re ne 2 years mare divisha 3 nto e le gore eng attractile to Karabo ke bo botse ba gagwe wa bona le mahlo a gagwe like no botse yena ke nya go bolla maka yo botse.
Lebitso la ka ke Karabo ke dula ko Soshanguve block GGs ke na le 23 years. Ke na le boyfriend ya ka mona Fortunate na le na re tlhakane ko cousin ya ka ko block W. So ntweng attractileng ko Fortunate ke height ya hae le matlo a gae, and then besides appearance it's how he speaks and ke understand the jokes tsa hae and he makes me laugh. Like how na quantity ke ka mejang ka yona, but I do love him a lot. We actually have plans tsa gore there's marriage, there's babies, and there's us relocating somewhere. Deal breaker ya ka itloba if somehow I cheat and then makes the baby outside.
As well, no, o don't know the deal breaker e bile ona mara ke sa ditse. Taba ya gore go a cheatega mo relationshiping and nna ke experience se ke a itseo. At the moment, to be honest, the relationship is not that stable. While like, where do I see myself with her? I get sure. That's why I get little more current too. Karabo na lo bale batho ba bangwe re ntse re le ka ra relationship. Ke makgetlo a mantsi. Mo le gore o dira the same thing like repeatedly so. So e pelo se itlogele gona o no re nna nka tloela. So I just keep on forgiving, hoping she'd change. Go sana le Excel gore nna le ena re sana le kutlwano nyana leina la gagwe ke Cassandra Moako gore ke ngwalle visa ke baka la gore I want to know if I'm gonna stay with my girlfriend or motlagase o leng gare go nna le ex ya ka o fisha kudu gore ke dule le ex ya ka. Nna Cassandra re ile ra thoma go kwana botse ka 2021 a kere ngwaga o latelang e ba gore o tshwanetse gore a boele Limpopo ka one o ba tshwanetse gore a feleletse dilo tsa gagwe tsa school ka 2022 ya ke mo ile gore ke ile ka bona gore o ka re nto ya di long distance e nna e tlompalela e be ke mmotsa gore nna nka se gole ke khona ke nya gore re tswalele nte re be re na le yona ka 2023 a week before my birthday. Wana mo ke mo ile gore Cassandra o ile a nkhumana kwa Facebook go tloa mo ke mo ile gore re be re bolela so nto e diragala go ke gore Karabo a tsebe se o ne le re to ba le ngwana gore lapa na bile la thoma mara banong a ga batla gore ke thome lapa mola ile gore go sane chapter ile sa butsu ka morago ke nagana gore Karabo a to kwa gore ke nyaka visa gore ke ye go kopana le Cassandra nto ke tsebang gore o tloga le ge le gore a ise ke mmotse sefatlhegong sa gagwe gore ke be ke fitlhe mo ke lego mo go gona ke ka lebaka la dilo tse e le gore o ba di dira.
Namhlanje sihlangana noFortune umtshita wasesosha ufuna ucela ivisa kumuntu wakhe asambe sombona.
How's it,
But you can
guys?
have ideas, hey.
Fortune.
Yeah.
How's it, Waras?
I'm good, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Who's this?
Karabo.
Hi, Karabo.
Okay, the young couple looking cute, looking happy. Uyazi abantu abasha.
Tell me about your relationship. Fortune umuntu onjani, Karabo? Like, what do you love most about him?
He's very sincere, he respects me, and he's funny.
And when Fortune uncanya in about Karabo, tell me.
It all starts in the eyes. Yeah, you know what they always say? The heart cannot grieve for what the eyes have not seen.
Whoa.
Yeah, so
Did I mention? Yeah, he's well spoken.
I saw and now my heart, you know.
Yeah.
Saw and you wanted.
The beauty as well, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, and how she carries herself.
Yeah.
She's a very firm woman.
Fortune is smooth, he's articulate, he's tall, he's handsome. This is how he gets the hands.
How serious is the relationship going into year 3?
We will move in together eventually.
Yeah, it's on the plan.
Is
Well,
there starting a family on the cards?
we
Is there-
already
Yeah.
Oh, you have kids?
No, yeah, we have a kid on the way.
Yeah.
Oh, is it? Oh, congratulations.
Thank you.
I'm a bit shocked that they've got a kid on the way, but YOLO.
No, guys, I think this started on a very happy note. But, you know, Fortune, ungibizele namhlanje.
ya le ke thomo be thake ke letswalo ka gore a ise ke botse karabe gore go diragalang go ya ga ena o tlile mmerekong ke dilo tša mmerekonyana. The reason why we're here is because I actually called the show so that they can help me to ask you for something. And
Yes. Say it, Mos.
there's this girl called Cassandra.
We can work out. Okay.
No, you know, like, I want you to, like, give me a pass or a visa, you know? Just so that I could just spend one more night with her.
Wait, why are you doing that? Is it because I cheated?
How, Karabo?
Not once, not twice.
Yeah, but
But
are you...
that's not the point. The thing is, like, the moment when you were with your ex, I actually started talking to her.
Because why did he have to wait until he got pregnant to do this whole thing?
It's hard for me to open up about how I feel.
Basically, you're asking me if you can cheat on me.
Hey, I'm also trying to understand, why
now.
do you need the visa?
To be honest, I just want, like, a closure, you know?
Closure, what you wanna do?
Karao, you know, amongst many things, the things that Richie did, and I haven't, like, fully recovered from. Ka mokgwa e le gore gantši ke kry-a gore motho o busy o bonana le ex ya gage ke ka phone e kgoletse ena motho a napa a emelela a tswe a tiro ka re mme o nyaka go lata something ka ntlong gane motho mo kgolong so o mo sala morago wa kwa gore bjale tše di bolediwang mo a di o nyake.
But like the ways of recovering, you talk about it, even if it's not with me. Why you say attend about therapy, counseling, something? I don't know. No, you seek therapy, not closure. Go the ex thing, yo.
Go bolela nnete ke fitlhile mo pointeng e le gore a ke sa kgona ka gore nto yang go batša ka gare emotionally I'm not okay.
Do what you wanna do, hle. Nah, I get again.
It's your choice whether you grant him the visa or not.
If I don't, he's still gonna do it. So, hi, it's I can. It's hurtful. I don't wanna lie. It's heartbreaking and all, but get looking.
Okay, Fortune. So what I can do for you is we're gonna go there, my brother.
To the ex.
To the ex.
Hey, go to her. Next
Wait,
time when you
Fortune.
will cheat in your next life and
Wait.
she'll do the same thing.
Let's go. I think let Karabo just cool down.
So she's giving the visa, kodwa umnika ngenhliziyo embi. But hey, Fortune, you've got the visa as fire, boy.
So Cassandra, where do you know Fortune from?
We were dating actually. I don't know what's happening. Like, Lena, I'm also surprised.
O nyaka go wiša gae.
I'm pregnant. Is this the right time for him to be doing this?
Maikutlo le gona a fetogile wa bona le nna ke kwa bose gore bjale ke tlo kopana le yena mo dipadi wa ka.
The moment the Kubona Fortune, I was surprised. Like, I was shocked. Or what's going on?
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine, how
Are you Cassandra?
Yes, I'm
How are you?
Cassandra.
I'm Waras.
Okay, nice to
Nice
meet
to
you.
meet you, Cassandra.
I don't know what's happening. Like, Lena, I'm also surprised.
So Cassandra, where do you know Fortune from?
I know him from Soshanguva.
Is that all, Jay? Umuntu around him.
No. We were dating actually.
When?
Yeah, in 2021.
Okay, kushuthi bukhuluma iqiniso.
Ayo, Cassandra muhle bafethu. Fortune, you left this one.
Cassandra, do you paint?
No.
You're gonna paint today. So sip and paint in kahle. I'll come and check on you guys in a bit, okay?
Okay,
Sharp.
no problem.
Say hello, my man.
Ay, it's ngibashiye ngiyocheck uKarabo.
Yeah,
Do you know her?
I don't know her. I just know that she's the girl my man is with and they're doing things that I'm supposed to be doing.
Ooh. The last time came Mona, it was in 2023, if I'm not mistaken. I was surprised. What? Like, I wasn't expecting to see him.
o bona ke kgale ke sa mmona kere jale yaanong tshwanetse ke mmotse gore nna le ena re tlo spenda bošego ka moka ntho e ile ya nnaganiša thata ke nagana gore gape motho wape ke mo senyeditše bona go nne di-priorities e le gore ke nyako di lokiša I want to set certain things to be straight with you.
With me?
Yeah.
I'm pregnant. Is this the right time for him to be doing this?
But we don't know why he's doing it.
I don't care. Seeing them together, I don't know, it gets me so overwhelmed. I don't want to be in the same space, let alone participating. Go so.
Beko rata. And next I could no move on. Like, even if I try or move on, because I couldn't get you off my mind. I always thought about you, like the moments that we shared together. Yeah. That's why.
I don't know if you still remember it, right? And as much as you do modeling, now that I want to start on a clean slate, can you model your way into my heart again?
Oh my God. Maybe I might. I fell in love with him again. I don't want to lie. It felt like it was the first time I fell in love.
This time I want to do different. Wish I
Are you serious?
I'm being serious, deliberately. I see Kamisha Gaya Bamote. Yale, this time can you do different? Ka no gi kim se di cheka yena. Yale, libitso leo bo mpicha ka lona la la galela sa nyako mpicha ka lona.
Ke batla le change.
So mbitsa man.
My heartbeat.
I'm upset because now I have to watch this.
Okay, you must take it away.
Ukaraba kafuni bon lutho. So uvali tablets athi no ngirighty, uFortune must do his thing. This is not somebody who wants to save their relationship. Bad sign early on.
So, guys, we've organized for dinner for the two of you here at this venue. So, Fortune, as soon as you ask Cassandra for permission, I'm going to leave you guys and you can operate. I'll see you guys in the morning, no?
All right, not a problem.
Chop. Have a safe evening. Nice meeting you, Cassandra.
Nice to meet you.
See you.
Oh, this is nice.
Very nice. So yale ke nna le Cassandra yale re ka mo ka moreng re se tsheri thu yale. Go thoma taba tse monate yale.
Moment ya rena is special. Like a special engopotsa ka rena the time re be re sa thomo kopana, re sa thomo jola. I felt okay. We talk a wheel and then ke thabile. I don't want to lie. I'm happy. But I want to know.
Ka re o mona ka bona gore a le maikutlo na bile le nna ka phafoa yale ke le nna ke feel gore ke monna yale wa bona.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I just need you.
Oh boy, are you?
Yeah, all right. But you need to understand.
I don't need to understand anything.
Well, and try at home.
Shift.
You? Same wheel, it's a new day. I summoned some feedback. What happened between Fortune and Cassandra?
Mr. Fortune. What's happening? Are you good?
Yeah, no.
Sharp. How did you sleep?
Nice.
Like a baby. And you lay on the couch or on the bed or in the shower? Where did you...
On the bed.
I feel like you forgot. You were acting like a man who forgot that he has another relationship.
At that moment, yeah. Kana kwe lo re le ka mo ka nna le Cassandra ke be ke sa nane ka karabo. Lo gore kae phone me kae ke be ke sa dinagane lo jeo.
And then mfana, the rest of the evening, like ihambe kanjani? Like in terms of the things that you were saying to her, was she resonating with that stuff?
Well, the rest of the evening actually started all good until in the early hours of the morning, actually, yeah. I had to break down the fact that I'm actually, expecting a child. And now having to say I actually had a fight with my girlfriend because of I'm actually looking forward to understanding where I stand with her. But the conclusion, I'm happy with it.
All right, dope, my brother. Let me step away for a bit. I'm going to fetch someone and I'm going to come back.
Okay.
Okay, you ready though?
Depending on who that
You must be ready. You say it went well, so.
Before Siagute, I'll think you'll be Zukarabo so we can have our caucus.
You're having to come here and still face him, talk to him. I hated that idea. I didn't even want to come, but I ended up coming.
So, Karabo, how was the last 24 hours for you?
It was not nice, that's all. I was angry.
Now I'm going to ask you to give him a few minutes so that he can obviously explain to you. Fortune, umchazele fethu ukuthi kwenzakaleni. And then uzomcela fethu lokho uyifunayo.
Koleke choga lo choga ya le ga ba o mo tsora dule pela ga ka re mo go betwa mo. First of all, I'd like to say I'm sorry about yesterday. And to really be honest, yesterday I was with Cassandra, and I spent the night with her, and we spoke. Me and Cassandra are gonna get back together.
Good for you. I was not gonna get back with you anyways.
That doesn't actually shy away the fact that I'm gonna be there to take care of the child.
Of course, I was not even gonna ask you that. He was not even showing any concerns. He was not concerned. He was just enjoying the moment.
So, Fortune, Karabo, guys, if I can turn your attention to the screen, and then Fortune, perhaps you can give us context for what we see there.
Ke nagana gore go betere ge nna ke mmotsa than gore a tla a iponele.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I just want to eat you up.
I don't even want to think about what happened between them last night. I don't want to think about what they did, what they said, the conversations that were had. I don't want to think about it at all.
Okay,
Oh, I don't want to hear it. Honestly,
either way,
I
I
don't.
still need to tell you.
No,
because-
please don't tell me. All I had was resentment for him, to be quite honest.
So as I wanted to say to you, for me to end up being in the decision, or rather the phase that I'm in, wasn't a choice that I...
Face. You are actually seeing that.
Can I talk?
No, listen, this is your world after all. Again, I'm just in it. Talk.
So for me to be here, it wasn't it wasn't by my choice.
Who forced you?
The things that which you did are what got me here.
And you feel like you're justified because
You
of
know,
that.
I still don't understand the horror. When will I
I'm
talk
done.
to you and you listen? Anje ge re ba le dikgwagano ka rabo na lo fitlha mo le gore o kare maybe a rasa ke mo kgopela gore ba mara go mola le nna ke nya go bolela o kare ba no go ka re voice ya ga move power na bile wa tho. Karabo, do you understand that
No, I don't.
there were points whereby I tried to commit suicide because of the pressure that you always put me on?
It happens. I have an ex who also committed suicide. So why must I feel pity for you whereas you couldn't feel
But
for
then
him?
how am I
Hey,
related
Nago
to
Busa,
your ex?
how does this
I'm telling you
concern me?
about
I'm
me.
telling this is how it started with him, okay?
Then how do I enter the...
So why would I be
how
with
do I
two guys who are
infiltrate in that?
stupid enough to kill themselves? Hey, Nago Bunse. Hey, do we still need to do this?
Karabo is insensitive, lacks empathy, doesn't let anyone talk, doesn't want to take accountability.
Why are you still here? Now, if I was you, I was gonna run. Most clearly, toxic. I'm toxic. I'm a red flag. I'm all that. But you are still standing here. Are you not done painting me red? Oh,
When your partner tells you that they were contemplating suicide, this is not how you react.
But you need to
hey,
understand...
I don't need to understand anything.
You were carrying
I don't
our
need to
child.
understand. So
that
you need
makes-
to understand what I'm carrying your child. For you, drama now at this time. What said I did last year?
Nah, that's not the point.
That's the
not
point.
the point.
Nah, that's the point.
That's not the point.
You're selfish. So what? Like acknowledge.
I am selfish.
Good. Keep
I'm
yourself
selfish.
sharp. So we done here.
I think I'm selfless.
We done here.
Rabo ke motho le gore vele a el ra le mtheletše bjang le tlo go mola ka nkane le tlo mtheletša.
If I may
I'm not gonna
interject,
argue.
okay, because I feel like you guys, a lot of your conversations, whether they happen in private or here, like you go around in circles. Regarding last night, obviously the opportunity that we were giving you is so that you could have a gap of 24 hours where you don't have to listen to somebody shouting at you.
It's like I always
In
shout
order
at
to
him.
come to you shouting.
Then it means
to
baby.
a
Why do I have
decision.
to shout at him?
So-
It means I can't talk to him nicely and he understands.
If I can get a gap, if you can give me 2 minutes, I'll be back shortly.
Baby, you are a baby. If I have to shout at you for you to get it, it means like you well enough properly, you can't get it.
Eish.
For the past 2 years, they're in the relationship since we're now told. Like you couldn't say anything for the past. Does it make
The
sense?
fact that whenever I want to say something, you shut me out. That's why I cannot open up about
It means
whether
when I
how
don't
I
have
feel
the
or what I've
presence.
been through.
It means then I'm stuck with the wrong. But thanks for this, ne?
So that's how we're gonna end this whole thing.
Yeah. When as a man, you can't make it. Tlamehile ke o push ke go ngwana neng o mong.
No, when I seriously.
My guy, you took your, you carried your leg.
leg.
Sharp. I think I'm done. There's your girlfriend.
Ah, well, Cassandra wa ilo mo tlhafuna mo ka nnete.
Guys, thanks for the time. Shift.
Yo, washiya nje kanjalo Karabo. Gone.
E nkare ke moshala morao ko dira go rabe felo le go feta. And go moshale morao a wa le gona tlapa neng ka ikhumana gona mo.
Can you please help me? It's affecting me, but in the same breath, it's not affecting. It's none of my business. So it's their business. They must do whatever that they feel like it's right for them.
You've obviously witnessed a small bit of Ivia fortune. So I'd love to hear your thoughts, Mangam Kazel, because you can see he's obviously feeling bad because nobody wants, the person that they want to start something with being exposed to what they come from. So if you can speak to that.
Yeah, he did tell me that he's expecting a child with his new girlfriend. I was devastated, shocked, and confused. I thought or maybe Nalena Rtoba Rtomel Ratlarina Awuswa. Osina diluchedimbi or jail or disatla. Life is too short, and we should actually spend it with the people that we truly love. And I love Fortune.
Despite the situation that he finds himself in.
Yeah.
You are nna ke thoma go nagana gore okay ke assume motho e le gore khale ke monyaka mara at the same time ke busy ke a nagana gore gape bjale Karabo sa le gona and Karabo sa tlo no ba gona.
I'm not his choice. I'm okay with it. And if anything, I'm actually glad gore I dodged the bullet.
Fortune, you talk to Cassandra, my brother, we valid.
Ke tlo go ba monna ke be le gore ke tshwanetse ke bena go tloga mathomong go senyeditše mo go senyeditšeng ka dira diphoso mara ke nyaka go di lokiša. So from here going forward, I want us to start from scratch, build up a deeper foundation and stand tall amongst everything and any challenges that are going to come. Above everything, I really love you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.